Hi guys, it's Armand again, and today we are going to be playing. I'm not going to do the super weird Super Mario Maker. I'm going to do Super Mario Maker. What? Oh. Okay. Go try that again. That's the Super Mario Maker we're going to be doing today. But now we are going to be building. Now I've checked out a bit of stuff. We got some ghostly stuff, and I'm building the ghost today. I'm building a ghost temple. You're wondering what I'm building, probably. You should be. Because it is going to be hard. No. I might as well get to finish it before, because we're going to be doing a bunch of stuff. More like I want it to be that one. There we go. Now we are going to have and you may think, well, that's easy, like, why would you do that? No! We're gonna be having some massive fun. Let's just try this. Oh, it's not right. See, it's really hard this one, so it's hard. It's on! But that's why I was gonna put in. Oh yeah, and I got these new ghost ones. And inside I shall put in what do they look like? Okay, what do they look like again? I forgot. Oh my gosh, I just used them. It was something like a feather. No. Oh no, okay, let's play it. What was it? Oh, that's because there's something inside. Okay. What was it? It wasn't that. It's been little. Was it? What did I put inside? Oh no. Ow. Okay, so that's a ghost. Well, what did I use? It wasn't POW. It could change what you look like, and it was. I don't know if it's new or not though. Is it these? No, I definitely have used them. See if those are yours. Oh. Okay, they do actually. I think I just walked through it. Oh. What were they? Are they doors? No, they could be doors. Was it a feather? Wait. Nope, that was not it. It was this really cool thing that could like change what you look like. While giving you armor. I forgot who it was, but I guess we're not gonna use it because yeah. Let's play it. I just want to see. I'm not getting them it's done. Okay, so good. Now let's edit it. Now we got the doors. So I'm thinking of going right there, and then having this. So is it? Squibble. So I'm not talking about it, there's a frog in my house. Let me go get. And now I'm gonna have these. So I'm gonna have like all of these here, like oh my gosh, it's so easy. And then coming out will be witches. And one of those. Now inside that mystery box, show me this. I just want to see how long it will go. Okay, it goes higher. It goes all the way to the roof. So yeah, then you can run along here and do it. Snipple time! Yeah, it's Scooter. There we go. No, I don't want to use that anymore. I'm going to use... Where is it? This stuff. Can you just make one of them longer? Yeah, there we go. So I'm going to be running along here, which I'm going to make a bit longer. What's down here? Oh, I think you can only make one like a certain amount long. Yeah, that'd be good. Can you make those massive now? Because if you can, it would be great. Nope, so you can't. So, I just have... how do you do... Can you duplicate the laser right now? Well, I guess you can't. Let's get back. So, one more right there. Still trying to remember what those things were, so my brain's really hurting. Is it the feather? Was it that? Maybe it was this. Just gonna try it. Okay, maybe I'm sending stuff. Was it those? I don't know. No, I think it might have been these. Or it might be that. So nothing works. Let's go right back. What was it? What was it? Was it one of those? Was it? Definitely not. It was. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I forgot it. I was like, yes, I can use this in the episode, but. Was it that? Was it that? Was it that? Was it that? Okay, it was... Why can't I go back in the past? It was this, I don't know. Definitely not. Definitely not. What was it? Well, I'll try to figure that out. I'm kind of sad about it. Let's just grab that. And then it'll cut off, so like, and then here there will be another door. And then that will lead all the way down. Put that down there. Should I have it? You are please. So you're walking up those for a bit. Yeah, so we still got quite a bit of room. So let's use just some bombs. I'm feeling balmy. I'm gonna need this, and then I'm gonna go. Let's use. It looks way easier on the hand, but when you're actually doing it, it's hard. Because that's actually not my hand, people. It's not my hand. Just the hand that shows up. What? Whoops! Might as well try it. Might be bad to try the level. I use that as my marker where I like the thing crashes. Was it right here that I put the thing? Yeah, so. I'm not getting fooled by my own tricks. These things go faster. Ah! I want to go back through that door. Okay, good, that's good. I just want to fix that I saw it here. But otherwise, let's get filling this in. So if we could just... Let's go up, 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 up. Is that right? I just need Mr. Frog to come in here. There we go. Let's make it one longer. Now, in there, like, what are we gonna have in there? Well, Mr. Frogman will not take. Well, he will not. We shall have giant bombs today. But you will be given one of these. A fire flower. Is it perfectly? Why is it? Come down here, fire flower. Okay, so I can still get it. Oh, there we go. Why don't... Okay, now I need to... Come! You have to be close enough to make them come to the bombs. More bombs. Yeah. I feel bad for the bombs that are getting exploded here. I just want to try this part. Oh, that was an epic spin. Double the boom. Yeah. Double the boom again. Boom. So yeah, that works. So now you're gonna be running with these. Sadly, I'm gonna have to cut off that end. I think you guys thought I was gonna say something. Yep, I need to have enough room. So let's get these. And you're gonna be running away. I'm gonna make a few little trolls like that. Nope, not big trolls, and then... Oh yeah, so I'm almost at the end of the level, so I know what I'm gonna do! You're gonna be able to jump over here. This is not gonna be a secret. This part. So I'm going to cover here. And then on here, I'm going to have not Bowser, but a giant Bowser. And you're just gonna like crush him. But how you're supposed to get up? That you shall probably find out in about 20 seconds. 20. 55 seconds. Now we play it. So search there. Wasn't there something around here somewhere? Pretty sure there was. Or no. Oops, I kind of missed the drop. I always move closer to the other one after. No, it wasn't the door, it was through here. I love climbing them. Mario's just like I'm Mario, no one can beat me. Cause I am like so awesome in Mario. I forgot what this door was. Oh my gosh, I forgot! Oh my god! What Mario? Would you rather run this time? Come on, Bugs. Squeeze out of there. Run! Yes, I think that I have gotten it through. Oh, whoops. Oh, come on. Yep, that's kind of hard. I thought that might be a hard part. Because it is hard to, like, when you're running on, like, fire things that will kill you underneath you. You probably have to run. I really like this one. Because I just like the giant things are just like going down crushing. Oops. I remember that just at the right time. Red, 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 Mario. Come on, Mario. Come on. Yes. Good job, Mario. I'm Mario. I'm Mario. I'm gonna do the Mario dance. That's a Mario dance. Everyone do that at home. What? Whoops. Why am I always like, I always forget this part. I'm just like, yeah. Everybody do the Mario dance. People, ever you're doing stuff that's better, never do the Mario dance. Kill that bomb. Yes, I think we'll get through. Whoops. Okay, good. So now that I'm down here, I'll just charge. I'm not. Yeah, I think a giant Bowser may be hard. So, get that mushroom money, giant Bowser. You're gonna be a baby Bowser. Get out, because that was kind of hard. You can't dodge it out Bowser's flames. I'm feeling that, thanks. Climb out. Yeah, nice Mario. I didn't know you could sprint. Ah, okay, that was fine. Ah! The the skills of a Mario. The skills. Come on, Bone. Oh, I love them spins. Oh, whoops. Sorry. I keep on just spinning instead. Blow him up with you. Okay, got it. No, the box has to be around there. Okay, now this time we'll get it perfect. Since we've been editing it so much, we'll definitely get it perfect. Well, you should have just charged. Whoops. I remember getting. See, you could even kill yourself with this. No, my favorite one was probably the ghost. I really like this ghost. I really like hiding stuff in the boxes. Now try Maya. The skills of the Maya is with you. May the Maya skills be with you. Ah! See the Maya skills. The Maya skills will be with you. The Mario skills will be with you. May the Mayas be with you. I love the spin. I'm just gonna get up the jumps because I don't feel so comfortable doing the jumps. Woo! Yay! Thank you guys for watching that video. I really enjoyed that part. It was really fun. And I will try to find out what happened with those people changer thingy-mabobbers. I forgot. But I forgot their call. But thank you guys for watching. And I will see you all later.